Despite nationwide protest, the spotlight remained on the national capital, where Aam Aadmi Party activists took to the streets to hit out at the government. Protesters were detained by the cops for defying the norms. There were also reports about Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal placed under house arrest, but the BJP was quick to deny these allegations.
ये बहुत सोचनीय है। अगर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को हाउस अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है तो मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं चोरी और सीनाजोरी वाली बात है। एक तरफ काले कानून लेके आए जाते हैं, दूसरी तरफ उसके खिलाफ आवाज भी नहीं उठाने दी जाएगी। ये देश में हो क्या रहा है?
नितिन जी, लेकिन हम देख रहे हैं कि सड़क बंद कर दी गई है। जो ट्रैफिक है उन लोगों को दिक्कत हो रही है, जो आम लोग हैं दिल्ली वाले।
ये किसान भी तो आम लोग हैं हमारे देश वाले। क्या किसानों के लिए एक दिन समर्थन नहीं दे सकते हम लोग?
लेकिन आप लोग तो सत्ता में हैं, दिल्ली की सत्ता आपके पास है। अगर कांग्रेस प्रदर्शन करती है तो समझ में आता है
कि सत्ता है, केंद्र के कानून है। ये चीजों में डिफरेंशिएट होना बहुत जरूरी है। केंद्र के कानून है, केंद्र को सरकार को वापस लेने पड़ेंगे ये काले कानून।
Union Minister Prahlad Joshi took a dig at the opposition leaders and claimed that they were the ones politicizing the issue. He also reaffirmed to the farmers that the centre is ready to hold talks with the farmers.
पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो है वो स्पेशली कांग्रेस और एनसीपी, ये सब लोग जो है, पंजाब के कांग्रेस हो, ये सब लोग किसानों को गुमराह कर रहे हैं। इसलिए मैं किसानों को अपील करता हूँ, मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूरा किसानों के लिए जो हित में करना है हम किए हैं, आगे भी करेंगे। आपके साथ चर्चा भी करने के लिए हम तैयार हैं।
On the other hand, security was beefed up at protest sites in order to avoid untoward incidents. DCP for Delhi Central Division Sanjay Bhatia sent out a strict warning to all protesters and also threw light on enforcing social distancing norms.
Implement social distancing guidelines, norms, and whosoever will violate will have to be prosecuted accordingly as per law. You see, I am warning them. They should not sit close. They should not be so tight. They should have at least 2 yards distance from each other. 1, 2, they should not anyway damage the public property. 3, they should obey whatever directions the police officer gives for the smooth flow of traffic and smooth life of the common population of Central District. So if they violate, we will take whatever legal action is required to be taken, that we will take.
Singhu and Tikri borders were also blocked as the agitators dug their heels deep at the protest site. Protesters in Burari also staged a hunger strike and some of them even refused to drink water. West Bengal also witnessed protests in Kolkata where the railway lines were blocked by protesters. Left parties and farmer unions staged protests against the central government. Agitators stormed National Highway 27, which connects Bihar and West Bengal. In fact, some of the agitators didn't even know why there was a protest. Instead, they just participated for a popular cause. This clearly shows how some of the protests being held across the country don't involve farmers. On the other hand, a sense of opportunism was clearly evident among the opposition parties as CPIM leaders also took to the streets chanting anti-Modi slogans.
आज हम लोग जो ये जो बिल जो लाया गया है मोदी सरकार के द्वारा, इसी को जो है हम लोग बंद करने के लिए इसको वापस ले, और हम लोग किसान के बच्चे हैं, इसलिए जो है इस बिल को जो है वापस लेना चाहिए।
कौन सा बिल मतलब किस चीज का विरोध कर रहे हैं?
जो उसमें बिल जो लाया गया है उसी बिल के खिलाफ हम लोग हैं।
अच्छा, उस कानून में क्या विरोध है आप लोगों का?
जो MSP जो कानून जो लेके आया है और 3 उसके साथ और भी तो कुछ बिल है जो MNSP उसके बाद।
Meanwhile, in Rajasthan, Pratap Singh, the transport minister in Gehlot's government, was seen on the streets. Pratap Singh took out a protest on a tractor with his supporters. Even as the farmers claimed no political parties would be allowed to raise their flags, many states witnessed otherwise. Protesters were seen raising anti-BJP slogans during the protest. Railway lines were blocked by agitators in Odisha's Bhubaneswar. Down south, Karnataka too was on the boil with several protesters taking to the streets. Pro-Kannada organizations and Congress workers were also seen taking part in the protest. Congress workers wore black bands and expressed support to the farmers' call for Bharat Bandh. They staged a protest in front of the Gandhi statue near Vidhan Soudha. Meanwhile, in Tamil Nadu, there were widespread protests which were headed by left political parties and the DMK. In Punjab, on the other hand, security was beefed up and the police personnel took out a flag march to warn protesters from vandalizing property. Mohali Farmers Association also expressed support and called for a bandh. In Bihar's Muzaffarpur, RJD party workers took to the streets to protest. The protesters blocked National Highway 28, resulting in traffic jams. All parties in Puducherry protested in support of the farmers. In Jharkhand's Ranchi, bikers belonging to left parties took out bike rallies. In Hyderabad, protesters staged a semi-nude agitation. Some of the activists participating in the Bharat Bandh were also seen forcefully closing shops across Telangana. Well, the farmers made a statement that none of the shops will be forcefully closed. But on ground, many activists took to the streets and forcefully closed shops in many opposition-ruled states.